How to set screen time limits on TikTok. Now you can either set this up to either just give you reminders when you pass your screen time limits or to require a passcode, which can kind of work as sort of a parental controlled sort of thing. Anyway, start out on your profile. Next, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down to Activity Center, which is under the Content and Display section. Now, tap on See All Screen Time Data. Finally, at the very top, tap on Daily Screen Time. Now you can see this little page pops up that gives a little bit more information. To turn it on, tap on Set Daily Screen Time. If you want the limit to be the same every day, tap on the first option. If you want to be able to set a custom limit for different days of the week, for example, longer time on weekends, tap on Set a Custom Limit per Day. And you can see that you can choose 40 minutes, an hour, up to 2 hours, or just a custom time. So if you only want 30 minutes per day, for example, 0:30, tap on Done. And once you've made your selection, tap on Next. And there you go. Now, for some reason, I'm not seeing the option to set a passcode on mine. Hopefully you have it on yours. If it's not there, you may want to look to some other sort of option to manage your screen time if you require that sort of thing, or you require some sort of parental control capabilities. There should be the option to set a passcode here. I'm not exactly sure why it's not appearing for me, but if that's important to you, hopefully it's there and you'll be able to use it. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Before you go, check this out.